Okay, now I have two files. One is the Excel and the one is the where is I can move into test files. Where it is? It's saved here only, right? Okay. So I have data in this one CSV file. Okay, just tell me one thing. If I open this, here is a here you just see in name column how it's like one is a string, one is the what is the called the customer may be entered in their details in a wrong way. Okay, triple check. Okay, one is a string, another one is a integer. Okay, hello.
Okay.
So sometimes suppose if I want to load this file, okay, it looks not right because so instead of name it putting is some number. It's not correct. For this purpose, we need to eliminate these numbers and whatever that. So for this, we need to use a cleaning purpose. Okay, uh, and otherwise, I will give you. I have data. Okay, here also we can load into. I'm just taking one. So I want to load the data into tables. Okay, here just go to here and go to task. I'm just giving an example. Import a flat file. Desktop. Where is the test file? I want to open this. Okay. Second. Import tasks. Import data. Where is my test data? Save. Desktop. I will explain this everything later. So what I did, I just loaded into that Excel data into the tables. Okay.
Okay.
So thing is in real time, suppose if I receive every time like this, I can't go to SSMS and I can't load this, right? So select top, no, this one, text sheet one, right? Where I can see. I put here on sheet one or something, review.
I think you
Huh?
need to refresh the data.
Already refreshed. Should be sheet one. Second. Your why it's not coming up? Same database, right? Okay, let me take DB database. 1 second. Sorry, it's my bad. Why that file is not coming up? Windows authentication and then okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, I think I didn't set anything. Okay. Okay. You see here. So either one way we can load from here DB level, but here it won't check any constraints or something. It's simply loading everything into our tables. But as far as for SSIS, it says nothing but SQL Server integration services. Here we extract data, nothing but any source like Excel, CSV, or any other DB. Okay, transform nothing but here we see is stuffed string, we see numerics. Okay, this kind of thing we can eliminate and we can check the conditions, and we can put conditions, and we can massage or transform the data, can transform or match. So match or combined, anything you can do here. Okay. So basically SSIS why you are using for ETL purpose, extract, transform, and load into destinations table. So here in example, so I'm just giving you only one scenario. Like I see user is not correct way, and you are loading. So it won't check any condition or something. Suppose if you take an SSIS, you can put condition like suppose if it's a varchar, then only the data to be inserted. Something here is a numeric, it won't it will be eliminated and it will come as a blank, something kind of thing. Otherwise sometimes I will get some e- email email.com something, I mean gmail.com or something in first name and like last name something. So there also we can eliminate something at gmail.com or whatever, we can eliminate that kind of thing. Or simply we want to merge. Suppose I have first name and last name into two different columns, but I want to see in one column. So and column. But in SQL simply what we can we do? Any cases? In SQL simply we just concat first name, comma, last name. Is that correct? I'm just asking a question. Is that correct, right? In SQL simply, suppose if I want to put on a new column the same information, you can simply put as this one. Is it correct, guys? Hello. Yeah.
Yes, I
So
think
simply,
so.
simply you can put it. But my job is this is not my job, right? Every day I will get data. I can't do this kind of thing, right? And I can't load into same
Yes,
stuff. So that is why ETL came here. Once we set up, this process, so simply you put the file into one location. Okay, either it's a shared drive or anything. Okay, you simply put your data into any storage drive. Okay, simply put your storage drive, and then we can actually start the transform formula. Either you can merge or remove unnecessary data, remove redundant data, anything we can do in transform level. And then once you feel the data is looks good, then we will load into the table. This is nothing but completely we can say ETL process. Okay, in ETL process, most of data you will get accurate way. Then testers will test the data. So if it's everything is looks good, and then the data pushed to the production table. So for data cleaning purposes, data cleansing, data cleansing. For data cleaning and data cleansing, see, in Microsoft we are using that this one as SSIS. Okay. So now you're good. So I have data. I extract data and then load into ETL tables. So once the data is ready, end user, how is look like? I mean, I have data. Okay. I want to insert into some data. So by using this process, I loaded into everything into table. So once data is ready, how the end user will access the data. So we are developers, so we can access from SSMS or anywhere, and we can see simply data into this one. Just extract into table kind of thing. So, but end user, how you can access? You won't give access tables and all, right? Users doesn't know what is the SQL and all. How you will see? Any cases? You want to see any dashboard or something from front end level? How you can see? You want to see some
like
soft,
Power BI,
yeah, Power BI one kind of thing. Yeah, that is what we call actually that one. Some reporting software, right?
data visualization.
Yeah, some
Yes,
data visualization or reporting software. Okay. So for that, SSRS reporting server reporting services. So data reporting is, or we can call data visualization. So once everything is ready from SSIS, they can use any kind of reporting tools. Okay, reporting. I'm just talking about only SSRS, but it's not limited to SSRS. It might be Power BI, Tableau, QQ, or Looker, any kind of thing. In Power BI, we have again paginated reports, right? Paginated report is nothing but paginated reports and SSR reports are both are very similar. So if you have license, then we can access in paginated reports. For this SQL Server reporting services, we don't require any license. Paginated reports we can view only whenever we have license. So once data is ready, then we require the reporting services. Reporting services for these guys, end users. Simply earlier, where is Excel sheet. Again, ID, name, salary, ID1, name something, salary 3000. So I have data in traditional days. So they have this kind of. So earlier days they have only Excel sheet. They can you or any reports from here only. They can create here only. But now they want to see everything in reporting services or in Power BI. One second. Where is this? So clear why use SSIS and SSRS. SSRS nothing but reporting purposes for client or end users, and SSIS this is completely developer only can do. So we'll get data from different sources. Once we get data from different sources, we can use by this technique. You can do the data cleansing and data cleaning. So once everything is done, you will put into the ETL tables. Then once it's ready, we just created a report for we created we create reports for end user. They will they will access report from reporting services, reporting servers or Power BI services. Clear? Okay.
Yes, team.
What is the ETL and what is the reporting? Clear till here. So I have SSIS and SSRS for cleaning and reporting, but I want to model or particle in hierarchical way. Suppose I have dimensions and packs. You know, right? What is the dimensions and pack? If you don't know, I will explain that later. That won't be anything. SQL Server analysis services. Why is SQL Server analysis? Is I have large amount of data. I have large amount of data in the form of sales and all. Okay. I have large amount of data in salary wise or something. I want to do some in hierarchical way. Let me see. Or I will take suppose high date. So I'm just removing this salary to sales. Okay, I'll put some date here. Okay, anyways, just leave it up. I have here a high date and sales. Okay, I want to see the date in. I want to see the sales in date wise. I just gave you here only one date. Okay, I want to see in a month wise. Suppose if I want to see in month wise, year wise, or day, weekly or day wise. So how can we see this one? And if you want to see, if you want to write reports in a SQL Server, we need to do. Okay. If you want to see data in SQL level, it will take a lot of time, right? In month wise, year wise, and weekly or day wise. And this is some lot put. You need to put some effort for the for this Microsoft introduces SQL Server Analysis Service. Here we can create hierarchy level of. Here is a sales date is the measure. Suppose if you take sales date is the, I mean sales date, suppose if you take sales date as the measure, you want to see data in hierarchy level. I mean if hierarchy level nothing but year wise, yearly, half yearly, or quarterly, or monthly. So this is useful for hierarchy level and create data modeling. So data modeling, data modeling, right? Relationships for tables or relationships for tables. In SSIS, suppose if I had two or three tables, if suppose you want to create schemas, and for this you use SSIS table more SQL Server Analysis Service. We have one more model, SSIS tabular model. This is mostly used in data modeling techniques. Next, SSS table mode mostly we are using in data modeling techniques. So once we created models, and then you can deploy. Same you can use in Power BI. Same you can use a Power BI. And I want to add one more point in SSS. Here you can create dimensional cubes. So multi-dimensional means you can see your data in 360 degrees level. I mean any level you can see data. I just give an example like a yearly, half yearly, or quarterly something. But you want to, if you know the techniques, you can see your techniques. You can see your data in any kind of level. Is it clear? SIS for ETL, and SSR is for reporting, or Power BI is for reporting, and SSI is for creating cubes and data modeling. Is just clear about till here?
Yes,
Okay, so
madam.
yeah, I just started SMS just because of creating and retrieving data for SMS. Once you know 40 or 50% of knowledge in SQL Server, then you can skip into this one, SAS or SAS, SRS or SSS. Because without the proper knowledge, we can't jump into SAS. That's why I'm going to teach one by one. Once I completed SSIMS and SSIS and SSRS, then SSIS. Mostly I covered tabular model, but I want to cover this as multi-dimensional because now no one is not using. They want to use only data to be ready. That's why SSS tabular model. Anyways, I will give you that overview also for this. Okay,
Okay.
done. Okay, that's it. So now I'm going to teach databases. So I just given an overview of how to install a SQL Server and how to access and I inform this services of SQL Server. So I'm going to teach the databases how to create. What is database? Database is a collection of objects. Database is a collection of objects, nothing but tables, use or any programming. Okay, already discussed, right? What is a database here? Suppose I have database here. These all are nothing but objects. Databases are used and programmable. These all are nothing but objects. Okay. So you know that the definition of a database. How we created databases. Different ways of creating databases. We can create number of ways. One is from SSMS wizard level. Second is by using MDF and LDF files. Another one is simply using commands. Commands in SSMS. Okay, we will see one by one. Okay, from wizard level. Okay. Okay, please click Rajesh. No? Just see my screen. Okay. Just click on databases. Okay. Right click, new database. Okay. Just give any database name in here. Okay. Owner if you want. By default it's a DBO. Just keep as is. So I just talk about right the LDF and MDF file. So primary is nothing but LDF and log file. Log files. So suppose if we create, delete, or modify, everything will be stored in log file. These are actually files, physical files. It will be stored in here. Once I created add, then it automatically come here. Okay. 1 second. Just remove this. Just click on OK. You see, database came. Are you able to see? Guys, are you able to see?
Yes, Naga.
So I created database for these files where it will store. I will show you. Simply when you install in your machine, go to C drive, program files. I put some SQL Server. Not sure. Data. Okay, continue. Okay, here clean up consolidation. There is software, but ideally it will be there here only. SQL Server, three are there here. Okay, SQL data. See sample anywhere. Sample sample. Why I created two instances? Huh? Okay, data. See sample is there, right? So in my system, two instances is there. That's why once we created data, it will be there here. Sample. Are able to see sample and sample now? This is
Yes,
MDF
Naga.
file and this is a LDF file. Okay. So are you clear how we create about database from here? New database. You know, just giving here some, just give here name here. So by any chance, if you are unable to find that path, just go here and just copy here. You just copy this one. Come here, File Explorer. Just paste here. That's it. See, are you able to see, right? That's it. If you don't know, you just come here and check your database is there or not. Okay.
Okay.
That is the one way. And another way is simply creating from command. So here we are in a testdb. So from testdb we can't create any. That's why I'm just going to the master DB. Okay. Here simply put create database and just give sample underscore one. That's it. You see, sample one created. Created. It's came right. Same you can
Yes.
check here. Sample one came and log also came. This is the one way. Suppose if you want to alter that we can discuss this. I want to rename the database. Alter database sample one to any sample two. Just click here. Syntax. Okay. Alter database data name equal to second. Just make it. Suppose if you want to alter, just alter or rename, you can do the same thing. database sample one, modify or something is there. File name equal to modify name equal to sample. Okay, it's accepting. Okay, it's accepting. Just refresh. Very good. Database simple one more bit. See, if you see here, it's renamed, right? Sample one to sample two. Am I getting?
Yes.
So we just commands for this. Create database one. Suppose you want to alter, then you want screenshot or video is fine because I already creating database. Okay, till here clear, right? So we have one more pending, that is by using LDF and MDF. Okay. Okay. I don't have any sample files, but we can. I will tell you how we can download. Just go to Google and just type sample databases for SQL Server. Okay. Just go here. Not here. You're not getting anything. Okay. Here download backup files. Backup. So here backup files. One. I downloaded one. Where is it? Adventure works MDF download. Okay. Where is this file? I don't have the files. Uh-huh. So I'm not getting that files, but I do one thing. I'm just taking these two files and I will give you examples. Okay. Test files. Control V. Continue. Because I connected, that's why it's not coming up. Let me paste now. Just trying to can be completed in my local downloads. Fine. Guys, I don't have this LDF MDF files. Okay, I don't have MDF LDF, but I can tell you the backup file, how to we can restore backup file. So again, just connect, go to databases, just go to attach. So normally I'm just talking about attach. So it will ask like this, go to and just add. These are already there. Mhm. Let me get from somewhere. 2016 data, no files. Huh? Okay, I don't have anything right now. Adventure Fox LT 2012. Okay, just go to attach. Adventure Works 2020. Okay, just click here. Okay. Uh, Guys, I think I don't have MDF LDF files, but I will just give you example for restore databases. I will give you that as well. And file. Okay, I downloaded backup file, right? I downloaded backup file. Okay, just copy, just paste here, backup file. SQL data. See, it came right. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, just click because I'm unable to get restore database fail. My system was backup and server running in the version is incompatible server. Okay, and still because I'm trying to install in different SSMS, that is a 2019 support. Anyways, you guys install 2022 only, right? Hello.
I have installed 2019 now.
Yeah, yeah, 2019 is fine because I trying to install 2019, 2022. Okay, I will give you the 2019 for that also. Okay, just click attach. Restore database. So that version is not compatible. That's why it's giving error. That's why I'm connecting to new one. Okay. Uh, I need to copy here as well again. There's the backup file 2000. So actually, this instance for 2019 I created earlier. That's why it's not working. But I need to copy this again in here. Okay. Please let me know if you are unable to understand so that I can take much time on MS SQL.
Um,
Yeah, it came right now.
yeah, yes, could you please explain one more time?
Yeah, sure, sure. I'm just canceling everything. So earlier it gave error because of I'm trying to open in the previous version. That's why it's not able to load. So I'm just connecting to the new version. Okay, I'm just connecting here. Just right click databases. Okay, restore databases. So usually we'll get the data in .bak file from any developer or any DBA. Okay. The,
Okay,
I'm just giving that also. So wherever we have your file .bak file, it should be copied here in this entire path. Okay.
okay,
Entire path in suppose wherever you install your Microsoft SQL Server now. So there. Okay. Just click Microsoft SQL Server. Here maybe MS SQL Server. Just click here. MS SQL and data. In data, we need to copy here that bak file. Clear till here? Where we need to put. Hey, sorry guys, that's I think it's a 1 hour. It seems that's why it's gone. Okay, clear right till here.
yes,
So wait this again. Okay, this one. Just click on databases. Okay, restore from database. Just device. Okay, just give that file path. Yeah, just seek a file only. Okay, suppose if you have URL in some in real time. Suppose you have any FTP something kind of thing. Just use that. Add in data. Just click on data and back file. That's it. Click OK.
okay,
Now no error. Database restored successfully. Just see
okay,
it came right. Everything is came up. Okay. And I will try to give that LDF also. Just check new.
okay,
Okay. So you got right? You got it right? I'm just trying
yes, yes,
to take that attach from the previous version. Not sure it will accept or not, but I will try to. 15. I'm going to here MS SQL. So higher version it won't accept, but the lower version maybe it will. Let's see. No.
okay,
Uh, version to version is different. It seems. Okay. Don't worry. Tomorrow maybe it won't take 5 or 6 minutes I will get MDF files and I will try to explain you that better.
Okay.
Okay,
So MDF and LDF files are similar to like which kind of files? Like
it's a
are
database for
there
support.
some?
Yeah, it's like
Okay.
a database file. So everything it will compress it into. So the database should read from one format. That's why we created MDF and LDF. LDF nothing but logs wherever you create or delete or whatever. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. Usually they follow earlier MDF, but it's really tough for everyone MDF files to attach. That's why everyone
Okay.
just simply they are taking this one backup and restore nowadays. But 2024,
Okay.
let me try one more time, then we will close it. File, use 2019 and lock. No, it's not copying at all. SQL, SQL. No, it's completely because file is open. No, it's not. Okay, that is anyways not opening. He understood right how to restore. I'm telling one
Yes.
more time. Okay, I will drop
Okay.
and I'm dropping here. Okay, I drop here. Just creating database, restore database. Just click device, right, and file. Just click data. Just click on Adventure Works. So if anyways I will post this path. Mm, It may be vary from one system to one system, but make sure you just check this Microsoft SQL server.
Okay.
Okay, I just click here. Okay, okay, that's it. Database is
Yes.
right. That's it. Simply just click tables and just check. Okay, data is ready. They're getting.
Yes.
So that's all for today. Tomorrow I will discuss the
Okay.
MDF and LDF and we will go into practicals. So I hope everyone please do message me in Teams, I mean Telegram, if you have any doubts in ETL reporting and anything. So I'm pretty
Yes.
sure if you practice 1 hour per day, in 2 or 3 months it won't be that challenging. Easily you can put 3 to 5 years experience and you can crack the interviews. There are a lot of openings now,
Okay.
MSBA developers. But yeah, my suggestion is you just upgrade to Azure as well. Maybe in future it will be going to isolated. I'm also planning to switch on
Okay.
my career Azure data engineering. I will keep you guys updated. Suppose if I learn anything, I will try to teach you. Okay. Thank you everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you, Nata.
Bye. Bye. Bye everyone.
Thank you, Nara.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I will upload.
Yes.
Yeah. I will upload this in YouTube and same drive as well. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
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 If you
Thank
require
you.
this backup file as well, .bak
Sorry.
file. Yeah, for practice purpose, if you require this backup file also, will forward you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Bye, bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.